Wrench HZXVOGEN 6-in-1 HF TIG AC/DC 200A Multiprocess Welder, MMA, ARC, TIG, spot, pulse, stainless and aluminium. The HZXVOGEN 6-in-1 welding machine is a high-versatility inverter welder built for both demanding industrial tasks and serious hobbyist fabrication. With modes for HF TIG, AC/DC, pulse TIG, MMA, ARC, spot welding and more, this unit offers broad flexibility, strong output, and precise control, ideal for aluminium, stainless steel, and other metals. What you get: advantages. One machine handles multiple weld types. Useful if you do mixed fabrication, aluminium, steel, stainless, etc. Pulse TIG and HF start allow better control of heat and cleaner TIG starts, less tungsten contamination. 2T, 4T modes improve usability. 2T for quick work, 4T for long TIG runs without needing to hold the trigger. Good duty cycle makes it more usable under heavier load without overheating. Rugged build plus protections make it safe and durable. Warning: things to consider: limitations. Although labeled 6-in-1, actual welding performance depends heavily on correct setup, torch quality, gas for TIG, cooling, etc. Dual voltage models may see performance reduced when run on lower voltage, 110 V, in some cases. Heavy aluminium welding in thin sheets still demands skill. AC balance, surface prep, gas flow, etc. will strongly affect results. The IP21S protection means limited moisture, dust protection, better for sheltered or indoor workshop use. Accessories: TIG torch, foot pedal, cables, gas regulator, may or may not come included depending on package, costs may add up. Memo sample marketing description. The HZXVOGEN 6-in-1 HF TIG AC/DC 200A Multiprocess Welder brings together TIG, pulse TIG, MMA, ARC, spot welding and more in a single powerhouse unit. Square root AC/DC capability lets you weld aluminium and steel. Square root precise digital control over pulse, balance, start, stop, and flow. Square root stable 200A output with approximately 60% duty cycle. Perfect for fabrication, repair, automotive, metal art and industrial tasks.